Decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are one of the most exciting developments in blockchain technology. However, as with any organization, there may come a time when a DAO needs to be liquidated. This process can be intricate and complex, hinging heavily on the rules detailed in the DAO's smart contract and bylaws, as well as the blockchain on which it's established. Chapter 1: Deciphering DAO's Operational Directives. The inaugural step in the intricate dance of DAO liquidation involves the detailed examination and interpretation of the DAO's guiding principles. The organization's white paper and smart contract serve as the cornerstone documents that illuminate the intricate workings of its operations. These vital documents should be your starting point. Allocate time to meticulously sift through them, vigilantly seeking out any stipulations or guidelines specifically linked to the liquidation process. Remember, every DAO flaunts a distinct framework and regulatory edifice. As such, it's absolutely imperative to delve deep into the nuances of its unique governance architecture, decision-making methodologies, and the protocols for asset distribution. Note any particular provisions or procedures that could sway the liquidation process, such as the mandated quorum, the rules governing voting, and the standard operation procedures to table and approve decisions. In this chapter, we aim to equip you with the necessary skills to decode the intricate and occasionally arcane language of DAO white papers and smart contracts. Through this journey, you will acquire a firm command over the specific legal and technical vocabulary associated with DAOs and their liquidation proceedings. This expertise will be of invaluable assistance as you navigate the subsequent stages of the process. We will guide you on the techniques of document analysis and legal interpretation. There will be comprehensive explanations of critical terminologies and their implications, illuminating the guiding principles behind them. We will also introduce practical exercises that will help you internalize the knowledge and sharpen your interpretive skills. By the end of this chapter, you'll have the necessary foundational knowledge and interpretive skills, which are crucial prerequisites for the upcoming stages of the DAO liquidation process.